Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you how I use inexpensive artificial plants and flowers to make beautiful spring decor. Now let's get started. I spray painted my artificial plants gold because that's my primary accent color, but you can spray paint these any color of your choice. Here's how my onion grass turned out. Now let's make a simple wooden vase to display them in. These Dollar Tree Plus shelves are a lot different from the shelves I used in last week's video. They are much thicker and much better quality. I removed the excess hot glue and then I covered my wooden vase with 2 sheets of Dollar Tree Plus wallpaper. There's only one Dollar Tree Plus in my area that has this wallpaper section, so if you can't find this 11 by 16 paper, you could use any type of contact paper or peel and stick tile as well. Here, I'm using tumbling tower wood game pieces for the bottom of my vase. For DIY number 2, I'm using my gold artificial fern, a floral hoop, and zip ties. I decided to only use 1 pack of the fern and 1 bunch of flowers for my project, but you could also cover the entire hoop as well. This would make a beautiful wall decor or door wreath, but I've decided to use it to spruce up a plain mirror in my front foyer. Here's how I used a 2nd pack of those artificial fern. For DIY number 3, I started off by using a charger plate to make 4 13-inch foam circles. I used tacky glue and a small amount of hot glue to adhere all 4 of the circles together. Next, I added these Dollar Tree Plus wire lights that I purchased around Christmas. I really love how all three unique projects turned out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this week's video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.